Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset POCO M7. Alright, we have two methods how we can reset our phone, and of course I'll show you both methods. First, and the recommended method is reset through the settings. To do it, open them up. Now scroll down, my bad, don't scroll down, click on About Phone. In here find Factory Reset. And now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off. And after a few seconds, it will be automatically turned on again. And you will have to go through the setup process. Of course, remember that everything will be erased from your device. So for example, before the reset, you can create a backup of your data, so you'll be able to restore it later in the future. And if you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you all possible backup methods on this device, so if you want, you can watch it. And that's the first method. The second method is our reset through the recovery mode. But when it comes to this method, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that if you have your screen lock set, and also if you're signed in into Google account, you may have to type that screen lock during the setup process later, or you'll have to sign in into the Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. So have that in mind. So now, of course, for example, before the reset through the recovery mode, you can turn off your screen lock and also log out from your Google account if you want to avoid that. And now, to do it, we need to power off our device, click power key and volume up, and select power off. Boom. And now, to enter recovery mode, we need to hold the power key and volume up at the same time until we see the POCO logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. So, power and volume up, keep holding. Now release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. Okay, now using volume keys, select wipe data, confirm by clicking the power key, wipe data, confirm. The process has started, so now we need to wait. It won't take long. Okay, data wiped successfully. Confirm, select reboot, confirm, reboot the system, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and then we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.